In this guide, we'll be showing you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Roblox and go to your account settings. You can do this from the Roblox website or the Roblox app. Next, go to Account Info. To use voice chat on Roblox, your account must be age verified and you must be 13 or older. If your age and ID is not verified yet, start the process by clicking Continue with Camera. Roblox will ask you to scan a QR code with your phone and take a photo of a valid government ID, along with a quick selfie to confirm your identity. I'll fast forward this part so you get an idea of the process. Once your age verification is complete, go back to your settings and open the privacy section. Then you press Communication and then Experience Chat. Make sure Experience Chat is turned on. Voice chat is now enabled on your account. If your microphone is not working, open the in-game settings and make sure the correct microphone is selected as your input device. Thank you for following along, and we'll see you next time.